Come on social media come make video that way and I feel as if I want to affirm it. I see one video circulating now, whole of the world about me. Not even as a St. Thomas, the whole of the world called people are firing a car me about it. All of see a circulate today, you want to murder your mother over us. Taishan, my so-called brother, yeah man, this is police, Cassandra Hutchinson, where Taishan walk a talk about and make video can talk about one kill mother over us. But I start from the one killer, that's where I start from. Now Taishan, you know say you're a punk. You say you're intelligent, but you're a dunce. You're a draft for Talis, and the man knows say you call up in name. Because I call him today. I say, yo, I want me here when me ever approach about us. I'm going to kill mother or something. The man said, my girl, what you talking about? I don't even have your brother number. So you on social media, call up the man name and the man never contact you. You lie and wicked so. Eh? When you on social media, call the man name, me contact the man today and say, yo, prove to me which part me tell you want to kill my mother. The man said, I know what me talk about because if you know my man saying can't even last in talk to your Taishan. Or you wicked so. Hmm? You understand me? How you wicked so? So, I force your mother force if you can't come build up a house then because what? She meet a local man, start a local house gear. I don't know go on for her because the man drop her for her next man and she knows so she don't know what that means. You make up the house, so what? You pit it on police now. Pitney tell you say I go up on your own. You force the pitney. Because you not pay the rent, the pitney even find something for rent, pay rent and ready for moving. Hmm? And you force the pitney, not pay the rent. Because rent I got turn in a papa. Hmm? Come on St. Thomas, come and make a bill together. And the pitney tell lie if you come to St. Thomas. Lie me ever tell Richard St. Thomas to come on. For this? Hmm? Tell me. What me want to do to your Taishan? I work in Senegal school like my son. Hmm? My mind and mother, and I work in Senegal school. I turn you in as somebody. Like my son, what me ever do to you? Hmm? My phone can't rest. Every time me turn, yo, I want to go on with you. But your brother moves so hard. Hmm? You ever talk about St. Thomas police are texted by your mother? Like seriously? 2 weeks straight, 3 weeks straight, the man leave a station. Like I she asleep. Hmm? Them want that time that man call police for me. You have a daughter and daughter police in a parish. And in the same parish, I try to disgrace your same daughter where she work. And every single police complaint officer you can think of. Come on. My mother. Can my name go? When time she not face up, she can't go Indicom. Indicom ask her, she assault you? Hmm? She shoot her for you? No. Now we can't help you then. Because we investigate shooting and assault. We don't investigate dispute over us. Or that Indicom tell her. Eh? You go call people and go talk about say Cassie, a dead girl. So that we're planning to kill me, Taishan. Hmm? So we're planning to kill me, man. Come on, kill your mother. Alright. Back to that. You ever talk about me want to pay Talis $200,000 to kill, come on, Talis. Taishan, you ever got say? I just say to the man them, they come after you and me, why they not brush you? 5 years ago, according to you. You ever got say? I just say to the man them, they don't want to kill you and me, the police sister, why you still alive today, yeah? You can't even be grateful for that. Say me make you still alive and me make your birthday you still blow up. Because I'm here back off man for you want to kill you. And I say to the man them, me don't come to 5 years after to kill your mother. Me look like me a punk, me a police, me a criminal. You understand me? Come on for me and your mother. A full time now for last year November. Your mother fight me for the house she no bill. Them say the house I got a court, so won't live for me for. But the judge decide. Because that's the same type of talk to us. So come and sort out things with the daughter because I'm mother and daughter. But the judge decide. So what you antagonize me for? Big video. Oh, police want to kill mother. 100 like, 1,000 like. And you know, see a liar wicked mama tell. What we do to you? The only sin me commit of a mind come on. That's the only offense me commit. The only offense me commit of a turn you in a somebody. You understand me? Because of me you suffer like dog. Taishan. Oh, see, Messi or Malone or what the fuck you want to call yourself on social media. You me a chat. Come on for me because full time of you leave me alone. Leave me alone and let me. Yes, I still just live for my 2 kids that when me get. Me used to mind your mother. You can't force for minor again a year time now, a 3 petition have. Me used to minor from 2019 now, a year time now. You understand me? You disgrace, say you disgrace me. That's not a secret to me, say you can't disgrace me. After last year November, your mother, I make a report for me, I'm not handcuff on the behind bars. If I think about that, everywhere she go make the report. So, oh, I am a freak woman. The thing me that get life sentence by now. But me that reach a prison by now, the amount of report you your mother. You send your mother go make for me. Them really say bad mind prevalent in the station. A long time I don't see a bad mind me now. A long time I don't see a bad mind me now. You got as far as the traffic man losing work over Canada. Because everything when me have is a problem to you. And talk about me have to suffer, your God. Who is you to determine if me suffer or not? Your God. You're there Canada, I still have more than you. It's a bad mind before. Because you're there Canada, fugitive in every them country for your easy look yourself. All the time you get to your immigration. One report of immigration and eat that for you. Back, yes sir. If you got you're illegal in Canada, Taishan, love me one. Love me and let me be. All I run up and I'm come talk about wicked police girl want kill mother. And the same wicked police girl mine her from 2019. So no love for me man. Let me be, brother. You understand me? Because I met on that woman in a somebody. And me used to turn her in a somebody. You don't realize how she look for me stop mine her. When I miss mine her, she fat and rosy and nice. You understand me? She fat and rosy and nice because me I say, oh, and my mother that. And I the one who bore house where I come from. So I turn police on my mother have to live good. So that's why I went and she said to me, say, boy, the pay no rent come bill. I say, alright. Mommy, I have to live in a one nice house, you know. Boom, nice house bill up now. You and your mama try to throw me out. Are you Billy? Why you try to throw me out the house when you never build? Or you workless at Taishan? Why not build a house? Give your mother want to have a big house to live in and a foreigner there. See that why your mother have a big house to live in a build one gear man. Because you're a fugitive in Canada. And you can hide and work. Stop take said for me man. And let me be. Let me be Taishan. You're your mother. Let me be. You understand me? You turn down roll. Let me be man. You're your mother full time on the back of me and let me be man. The police then try to think of St. Thomas to try to solve this between me and your mother. But she decides, oh, she doesn't start no dispute at all she want, but she never build up. If me and come and build one house together, me and come and only then a hot water salon from last year November because she hold on the house and she not let it go and she not getting it. Me talk publicly she not getting it because she build it. They said to her, say, me a part the house. Take the better side, me build up the other side. Take the side where grill and nice up already. Because what? Any idea? Your mother. Me never get the side when I build up yet. Good. And me know say you can't build it up. For the man side the room, girl, I know she can't finish that. And how she gonna build up? Talk to me, Taishan, and you see your mother struggle. And you there foreign and you not help her. You never help her, me I say to me, say, Cassie. See $2,000 here. I have 50 Canadian dollar. Put on the grocery. Where you buy a mountain time to come on. But you on social media can talk about your disgrace and where. You disgrace yourself because you're workless. You understand me? Love for me, I'm going to mind your mother, Taishan. Leave me alone and go mind your mother. Because from me stop mind her, she start look like all fat. I don't treat pretty she have. Look at she fat and rosy and nice and me that mind her. Why have me drop my hand now she have to look so? What am to you? You find time for your make social media video. Where you won't find time for mind your mother? I make she look nice like time me one dinner mind her. Me one carry her burn. You look on her and tell her, I say, oh, she stop keep your youth. See your baby mother have to stop work. Because you stop keep your youth, so your baby mother have to stop work if you look about your youth. So you have a baby mother and you pretty for mine. So you don't mind no mother. And that years now me and mine her later me have pitney and still you mind her with my one daughter. And licky, come on licky, why am I run back of you? You don't know money. You don't love me man. Let me be. So all I run for talk about daughter want kill mother. Come on. And the same daughter of your work and mine her. So how come you want to kill her and me of your mine her? Make sense? Me take her from poverty to prosperity. And me you want to kill her? You love me man.